All right, guys, welcome back to...
English with Tom and Anna.
If you enjoy learning English in a fun and natural way,
Make sure you subscribe to the channel and join us every week.
and trust me, today's topic is so useful.
Yes, seriously, it's such an important topic for everyday English.
Okay, I'm Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we're talking about...
So versus such.
Sounds simple, but it's actually so confusing.
Exactly, but don't worry, we'll make it so easy.
Let's start with something simple. Anna, can you explain so?
Sure. So is usually used with adjectives or adverbs.
Okay, slow down. What does that mean?
Good question. Words like tired, happy, fast, cold, these are adjectives or adverbs.
Ah, okay. So I can say, I am so tired,
Yes, perfect.
and the weather is so hot,
Exactly.
and you speak so clearly.
Wow, thank you, Tom. That's so kind of you.
See, I'm learning already.
Yes, you are. Now let's talk about such.
Okay, I'm ready. Don't confuse me again.
I'll try not to. So, such is used with nouns.
Nouns, like day, car, movie?
Yes, exactly.
So I can say, such day?
Not exactly.
See, I knew it.
You need one more thing. Usually we say such a plus noun.
Oh, so such a day?
Yes, but more natural would be such a long day or such a busy day.
Okay, so we need adjective plus noun.
Exactly.
So let me try. It was such a good movie.
Perfect.
She is such a nice person.
Yes, that's excellent.
Wow, this is starting to make sense.
See, it's not so difficult.
Wait, so plus adjective and such a plus adjective plus noun.
That's right.
Let me test myself.
Go for it.
This food is so delicious.
Correct.
This is such delicious food.
Also correct.
Wait, what? That works too.
Yes, because food is a noun, but we don't always need a.
Oh no, now I'm confused again.
Don't panic. Let me explain.
Please do. Slowly. Very slowly.
Okay, when the noun is uncountable, like food, water, money, we don't use a.
Ah, okay. So we say such delicious food, not such a delicious food.
Exactly.
That's actually not so bad.
See, you're doing great.
All right, give me more examples. I want practice.
Okay, repeat after me. It's so cold today.
It's so cold today.
It's such a cold day.
It's such a cold day.
Good. Now again. She is so funny.
She is so funny.
She is such a funny person.
She is such a funny person.
Perfect.
I feel so proud right now.
And I feel such happiness teaching you.
That sounds a bit strange.
Yeah, okay, maybe not perfect English there.
See? Even you make mistakes.
Of course, learning is not about being perfect.
That makes me feel so much better.
Good. Now let's make it a little more interesting.
Uh-oh, I'm scared.
Don't be. Let's talk about real life.
Okay,
Imagine you had a very busy day at work. What would you say?
I would say, I had such a busy day.
Perfect.
Or, I am so tired.
Yes, that's exactly how people speak in real life.
Oh, wow. This is actually useful.
Of course it is. We don't teach useless things here.
Good, because I need English for real conversations.
Same here. Now let's try a small dialogue.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll start. Hey, Tom, how was your day?
It was such a long day. I'm so tired.
Perfect. That sounded so natural.
Really?
Yes. Now another one.
Let's do it.
Wow, this restaurant is amazing.
Yes, the food is so good.
I know, it's such a nice place.
Hey, that actually feels like a real conversation.
Exactly. That's the goal.
Can we try something funny?
Always.
Okay. Anna, your cooking is so bad.
Hey, that's rude.
You made such a terrible meal.
Wow, Tom, wow.
I'm just practicing.
Okay, fine. Then I'll reply, well, you are such a bad friend.
Ouch, that hurt.
And you are so annoying.
Okay, I deserve that.
See, even funny or emotional situations use so and such.
Yeah, I can see that.
Now let's talk about something important.
What?
Emphasis.
Big word. What does that mean?
It means we use so and such to make things stronger.
Oh, like stronger feelings.
Exactly.
So instead of saying, I am tired, I say, I am so tired.
Yes, that sounds stronger.
And instead of, it was a good day, I say, it was such a good day.
Perfect.
Wow, English is actually kind of fun.
It is, especially when you understand it.
True. Before this, I was so confused.
And now?
Now I'm less confused.
Progress.
Can we do a quick quiz?
Of course. I'll give you a sentence and you choose so or such.
Let's go.
This is blank, a beautiful place.
Such a beautiful place.
Correct. Next, I am blank hungry.
So hungry.
Yes. Next, it was blank an interesting story.
Such an interesting story.
Very good.
I feel like a genius.
Don't get too confident. One more.
Okay, I'm ready.
The movie was blank boring.
So boring.
Perfect.
That was so easy.
And such good practice.
I like this combination now.
Me too.
Can we talk about daily phrases?
Yes, that's very important.
Give me some common ones.
Okay. So much, so many, such a mess, such a shame.
Oh, I've heard such a shame before.
Yes, it means something is unfortunate.
Like, it's such a shame you can't come.
Exactly.
And such a mess.
That means something is very dirty or disorganized.
Like my room.
Exactly like your room.
Hey, that's personal.
Just being honest.
Fair enough.
Now, repeat after me. This is such a mess.
This is such a mess.
I have so much work.
I have so much work.
There are so many people here.
There are so many people here.
Perfect.
Wait, so many and so much, that's also so.
Yes, but don't worry too much about that now. Just remember, they are very common.
Okay, I'll remember.
Good. Now let's imagine a short story.
I like stories.
Okay. Yesterday, I went shopping.
All right.
The store was so crowded.
Oh no.
And there was such a long line.
I hate that.
I know. And I was so tired after waiting.
Let me guess, you left.
Yes, it was such a stressful experience.
Wow, that sounds terrible.
It was.
But hey, at least it's good practice for English.
Exactly.
I'm starting to notice how often we use so and such.
Yes, they are everywhere in English.
That makes this lesson so important.
And such a helpful one.
Nice one.
Thank you.
All right, guys, are you still with us?
We hope you are enjoying this lesson.
Because we're not done yet.
Not even close.
We still have more examples, more practice.
And a really fun conversation coming next.
Trust me, it's going to be so interesting.
And such a great way to improve your English.
So stay with us.
And get ready for more.
All right, I'm actually feeling so excited now.
Me too, Tom. You're improving so fast.
Thank you. That means such a lot to me.
Aw, that's sweet. And yes, that sentence was perfect.
Really? I didn't even think about it.
That's the goal. When you don't think too much, your English becomes natural.
I like that. Less thinking, more speaking.
Exactly. Now let's go deeper, but still keep it simple.
Okay, I'm ready.
Sometimes we use so with that.
Oh no, new structure.
Don't worry, it's actually very useful. For example, I was so tired that I fell asleep immediately.
Oh, so it shows a result.
Yes, exactly. Cause and result.
Let me try. I was so hungry that I ate everything.
Perfect.
I was so hungry that I ate everything. The movie was so boring that I slept.
That's great, Tom.
This is actually fun.
Now let's try such that.
Okay, I'm slightly scared again.
It's similar. For example, it was such a good movie that I watched it twice.
Ah, okay, same idea, just with such.
Exactly.
Let me try one. It was such a hot day that I stayed inside.
Perfect.
Wow, I feel so smart right now.
And you're making such good progress.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Now let's do a small role play.
I love role plays.
Okay, imagine we are planning a trip.
Sounds fun already.
I'll start. Tom, this place looks amazing.
Yes, the pictures are so beautiful.
And it looks like such a peaceful place.
I really need a vacation. I am so stressed.
Same here. Work has been such a nightmare.
Wow, that feels real.
Because it is real. People talk like this every day.
I could imagine saying these sentences.
Good. That's how you learn.
Can we try another situation?
Sure. Let's do a restaurant scene.
Okay, I'm hungry already.
Wow, this food smells so good.
Yes, and the place has such a nice atmosphere.
I'm so happy we came here.
Me too. This is such a great choice.
That sounded so natural, Tom.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
And it shows.
Now, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Sometimes I hear people say so that, but sometimes they just stop, like, I was so tired, and nothing after.
Ah, yes, that's very common.
Why do they stop?
Because the meaning is already clear. You don't always need to say the result.
Oh, so context explains it.
Exactly.
Like if I say, I was so tired, people understand it was extreme.
Yes, you don't need to say more.
That makes things easier.
Definitely. Now let's practice some daily use phrases.
I'm ready.
Repeat after me. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
That's so true.
That's so true.
This is such a good idea.
This is such a good idea.
He's such a nice guy.
He's such a nice guy.
I'm so tired today.
I'm so tired today.
Perfect.
These are actually sentences I can use every day.
Exactly. That's why this lesson is so practical.
And such a useful one.
You're getting really good at this.
I think repetition helps a lot.
Yes, repetition is key.
So guys, if you're watching, repeat with us.
Yes, don't just listen, speak out loud.
Even if you feel shy.
Yes, even if you make mistakes.
Because mistakes are
Such an important part of learning.
nice.
Now, let's do a quick challenge for you.
Ooh, I like challenges.
I'll say a situation and you pause the video and make a sentence using so or such.
That's a great idea.
Situation 1. You didn't sleep last night.
You might say, I am so tired.
Good. Situation 2. The weather is extremely hot.
It's such a hot day.
Perfect. Situation 3. The movie was amazing.
It was such a great movie.
Excellent.
This is actually getting easier.
Yes, because you're practicing.
Practice makes...
Such a difference.
I see what you did there.
Of course.
Can we do a longer conversation now? Like a real-life situation.
Yes, let's do one.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine we are friends meeting after a long time.
Okay.
Tom, it's been so long.
Anna, yes, it's been such a long time. You look so happy.
Thanks. Life has been such a great journey lately.
That's so nice to hear. What about you?
I've been so busy with work.
Yeah, That sounds like such a stressful life.
It is, but I'm learning a lot.
Wow, that feels like a real conversation.
Because it is.
I can imagine using this with my friends.
That's exactly what we want.
I feel so much more confident now.
And I feel such pride seeing your progress.
Thank you, Anna. Seriously.
You're welcome, Tom.
All right, maybe we should review everything quickly.
Good idea.
So is used with adjectives and adverbs.
Yes, like so tired, so fast, so happy.
And such is used with nouns.
Right, like such a day, such a person, such a story.
And sometimes we say such plus adjective plus noun.
Exactly.
And we can use so that and such that to show results.
Perfect summary, Tom.
Wow, I actually understand this now.
See? You were so worried at the beginning.
And now I feel such confidence.
That's amazing.
All right, guys, before we go,
We have a question for you.
yes, write in the comments,
Make one sentence with so and one sentence with such.
be creative,
Yes, surprise us.
and we will read your comments.
And maybe even reply to some of you.
Also, if you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to like the video.
share it with your friends.
And subscribe to
English with Tom and Anna.
Keep Practicing Every Day.
Stay consistent.
And remember,
Letting English can be so fun.
and such a beautiful journey.
See you in the next video.
Bye!